Okay, okay. I hope I'm audible right now. Just a mini mistake right there. But yeah, guys, we already opened up with a prayer. Don't worry. I already prayed for y'all here today. All right. So yeah, man. We're gonna get started here. Yeah, man. We're gonna get started. So let's look at the charts here and see what the charts have in store for us here. Something beautiful, and yeah, man. We might just come across beautiful trades here. I already prayed for y'all guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Already prayed for the session, and yeah, man. Yeah. Let's see what profitability can come out here during Asian session here today. It's a very beautiful Monday, and yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna start off with the daily what's this? Yeah, we're gonna start off with the daily time frame here, do a top-down analysis. Obviously, yeah, we haven't been trading last week. Actually, I haven't been live the whole last week, but yeah, man, we're gonna start having a different session. I'm gonna have a free session for all of y'all, but then now we're gonna twist it up a little, right? How are we going to do this? We are going to start having a session where people are going to be paying, right? Where people are going to be paying to get these trades and all the top-down analysis information, deeper information, right? Yeah, we don't want to see ourselves be giving people free information and information that will not stand the test of time here. So we are going to have paid sessions and we are also going to have free sessions. So I hope you guys understand uh, basically what I'm talking about here when I say we're gonna start having also paid sessions where you're gonna have to subscribe and pay for like weekly or monthly trades, right? Where I will be trading with you live session in real time. And yeah, you guys can clearly see that we have a 75% win rate. So yeah, man, yeah, just follow me on one of these accounts, right? Either Instagram or TikTok. And yeah, DM me and yeah, we will just get we'll just start I'll add you to the private lessons and yeah, you just pay your monthly fee and I give you guys a top-down analysis, a beautiful top-down analysis. I give you guys everything that is needed here, right? Yeah. So yeah, man. What's happening? What's happening, everyone? What's happening, everyone? All right, so yeah, top-down analysis. Let's start. Let's start. All right, so we can clearly see that last week's previous candle was a bit bullish here. We closed bullish here, and basically price basically looks like it wants to go back up. Right? What do we see here? We do see another thing that price is creating a low here during the daily. We are creating a beautiful low here during the daily. And let's look at the 4 hours. The 4 hour gap down, right? We do see that we have a gap right here, right? And we do see that price is basically pushing lower here. And one thing is we do have this range where we are trading at currently, right? We do see that price is basically trading at this current range. We broke out of the range, but we failed to push higher here. Price basically came back in the range, and that's where we are basically trading currently as we speak, right? Let's look at the 1 hour time frame here. The 1 hour time frame here is giving us the very yeah, clear price. We are still in the range, and price is basically pushing in the range. No trade for us in the range. Yeah, we cannot trade anything in the range here. All right. The 30-minute time frame. What is the 30-minute time frame telling us here? We do see that the 30-minute time frame is basically also still in the range. We can readjust the range right here and basically look at the smaller range, right? This current range where price is basically trading, right? What do we notice about the smaller range where prices are ranging? We do notice that we have clean range to the left here where price can potentially push lower, and clean range to the right where price can basically push up and try to fill the gap here. So yeah, we are in high times of volume. Price might just want to do whatever it wants to do, and yeah, we're gonna take the trades based off of price action here. On the 15-minute time frame, same thing. We do see that price is still in the range. We are getting some sort of a breakout, right? And Yeah, a potential push lower here wouldn't hurt. It would make sense, right? Yeah, for price to basically push lower here and push to these areas here, right? If I do see price basically pushing lower to these areas, yeah, we'd be looking money here, right? If we do get a break below here, and yeah, but one thing is we don't have a top wick on this candle here on the 15. So one thing that might make sense is if we come back up, right, before we push low, if we come back up, create that top wick, some sort of a pack runner, and wait for price to push lower here. Yeah, this would also look money, right? If the candle does something similar to this, yeah, I'd be interested in taking those sells, right? Right? For price to push lower here, and I'll take my partial somewhere around here. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, feel free to basically find out yeah, how we trade and all those type of things, all those good things, all those good things. Yeah, so we're gonna be waiting like 9 minutes here to see if price wants to push here. Let's wait for this 15 closure, guys. I'm very much bearish here. I'm very bearish. I do see the sales playing out, and for the fact that we gapped lower and price is basically pushing here, we might just want to push all the way down to fill this wick, right? Once we fill this wick on the 4 hour, we might just keep on pushing lower here. Yeah, even though we created this low here, one thing for sure is price opened in between this daily candle. So even if price decides to push higher here, for the fact that we did not push, we did not open where price previously closed, yeah, it already gives us a signal of a fake out, right? So it's some sort of a fade here. So the sales are looking good, the sales are looking money, the sales make sense. Sales are making pretty much are looking pretty good, right? Yeah, and if price does decide to push up here, right? If price does decide to push up here and breaks above this areas, gives us something similar to this, right? Something similar to this, and we see some sort of a push up to this level here. I would be interested to see the buys push all the way higher, and basically we can take those buys to this area, filling this previous gap and potentially moving higher here. Any questions? Any questions? Anybody got the question? Anybody? Anybody? Ha ha ha! Larry's back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Back like I never left. Oh man, buys above. Yeah. So we're gonna have buys above this area and sells below. Sells below this area. Right? Yeah. And if we do close back inside the range, I'm gonna have to wait for familiar price action to see if price is gonna decide to wanna move a particular way here before taking any trade here. Yeah, so that's basically gonna be the trades for the day, the trades for the week, the trades for the month. You know what it is. That's how we're gonna that's how we're gonna basically do it here. Entanglement. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beautiful Monday here, guys. Beautiful Monday Asian session. A lot of people are sleeping in my country. A lot of people are sleeping in my country, but man, it's not a problem. It's not an issue. It's not an issue. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to add payment systems for people who are really serious with trading, right? I do not want to give people information who are not serious with trading, right? I don't want to be out here feeding people who are just, out here to suck information and not necessarily gain anything in return. So I rather wait for people to basically, want to learn, right? And those people will actually pay for knowledge, right? As much as you pay to go to school, you're gonna have to pay to learn Forex. You're gonna have to pay to learn my skill, right? And for the fact that I put in so much work, I put in so much time, I put in so much planning before coming onto the live session and giving you guys things, because I don't want to give you guys information that is false. I don't want to give you guys information that might mislead you, right? I'm going to give you information that is correct, information that will help you in your trading journey. So for me to be able to have the energy to do that, I have to, get some sort of compensation. All right. But yeah, guys, the free lives are still gonna be here. The free live sessions are still gonna be available. I'm still gonna come on live for free, right? And basically trade with you guys and show you the skill, right? And if you're comfortable enough to join the premium session, that's what you should do, right? Don't even hesitate. Don't even hesitate, because you're gonna get value. You're gonna get wonderful value wherever you go in, right? But yeah, guys, the cells are looking money here, right? If we do close the way I want us to close in the next 4 minutes, in the next 4 minutes here, yeah, we're looking at the 15-minute chart currently. www W GTA J2J. It's been a while, man. I miss you. I miss you, J2J. What's happening? I'm lucky I didn't sleep today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He's back. Netflix USA. Hey, we got people from USA, man. Spam W's in the chat. Come on now. Don't play with us. Don't play with us, man. We got people from the USA watching a young boy from SA, Top Boy Larry. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, man. Yeah, we've been trading for quite some time, and one thing I can tell you guys: patience, patience, patience. If you really want to be a profitable trader, you have to have patience, guys. Right? Patience is the only thing that will make you a profitable trader. And obviously skill, but it's not just strategy. I feel like a lot of people, indulge too much in strategy and not mindset. You need to indulge more in mindset, be able to understand the mindset that comes with trading, being able to wait for a trade, being able to, adjust yourself and not rush into taking trades that are unnecessary here. And that is one thing that will make you a profitable trader, right? That is the cream on the crop. You know what I'm saying? That is the thing that will, put you from this level to the next level, right? But the moment you start being impatient, the moment you start looking into rushing and taking trades that don't make sense here, you end up falling into a trap. And this trap is not something that is easy to get out of, right? Those are some nuggets that I can give you guys. Those are some nuggets I can give you guys. When it comes to trading, you really need to lock in. You really need to put your attention and effort, right, into this thing. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself making so many unnecessary mistakes. You're gonna find yourself, taking trades that will eventually make you lose in the long run. And I don't want to see any of that for y'all, right? I want to see people profitable. I want to see people making moolah here, right? And yeah, man, if you are an impatient trader, you might not find yourself in that group of people who are profitable, right? But yeah, um, sometimes in order for people to provide value, you also need to give your part. Put your part, do your part. You know what I'm saying? Provide yourself with the skills and be around people who are going to give you enough value, right? If you're going to have friends that are not going to give you value in life, or if you have friends that don't give you value in life currently as we speak, leave them, like literally. Don't even waste your time, bruh. Don't even waste your time. Like, yeah, I'm speaking from experience. I'm speaking the honest truth here. When it comes to having friends that are not going to provide any value in your life, don't waste your time. Do not waste your time. Trust me. It's gonna save you a lot of money, a lot of energy. You know what I'm saying? If a person is going to call you and it's gonna be like, "Oh, bro, I'm going to the club. Let's go to the club, man." You know, and if you entertain such, you're gonna find yourself in deep BS. You know, and I don't want to see none of y'all finding yourselves in trouble. You know, it could be financial trouble, it could be spiritual trouble. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have a buy stop above these highs right here. I'm gonna have a buy stop above these highs, and that'll be my trade, man. Once price hits these areas, yeah, man, we're gonna potentially make some money here. Um, yeah, yeah, we're gonna have buy stops above these highs and potentially see price push up. The reason why we have a buy stop in this area here, right? The reason why we have a buy stop in this area is because price basically, based on what I see here on the 15-minute, price grabbed the sellers, right? This is where liquidity is at, right? A lot of sellers have been grabbed, a lot of price, or let me just say, a lot of people who were in the sales were taken out here, right? And right now, price is basically looking to reverse. And yeah, I want to be part of this reversal. I want to be part, and we also have an exhaustion candle on the 15 minutes. So I want to be part of this reversal. I want to be part of this move where price could potentially push higher here. I'll have my TP somewhere around these areas here. A young $800 move. Yeah, this would look beautiful. This would look beauty, beauty, beauty. Yeah, I'm going a bit high on this risk here. Yeah. So we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. What about the closures inside? Yeah. All right. Looking at the 15-minute here, we do have closures back inside the range, right? But the reason why I'm taking the trade, right, is because we have an exhaustion candle closure after grabbing the lows, right? After grabbing the pack here, after grabbing the sellers, right? We do have a beautiful exhaustion candle from this area here. So we do see that we have grabbed the sellers from the range, right? Price basically pushed lower here, basically grabbed the sellers. And right now we're expecting for price, because we are in high times of volume, we're expecting to see price push higher here. Yeah. Yeah. Is price going to tap us here? We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Are we going to get tapped here on a Monday? On a Monday. Yeah, the 30 might just want to keep on pushing higher here. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. I have buy stops about around, yeah, at around 3999. Yeah, that's where my buy stops are gonna be, guys. Yeah. 3999. That's where the buy stops are. We are not yet tapped. Not yet tapped, guys. Yeah, anything above this area here, guys, we are money. Money. I'm gonna keep this buy stop for the rest of the day, right? Until we do come back and tap. So let me just make an example, right? If price does do something like this, right? Because usually sometimes price likes to, play around before taking true direction, right? If price plays around, comes back into this range, I'm not going to delete this buy stop, right? I'm not going to delete the buy stop. Maybe price might just come back, play around before pushing higher, and then only then price might just, you know, come back and tap. I've experienced this many times, right? So that's why I will not delete the buy stops. And yeah, only then you would see price do something similar to this, right? Let me just change the color of the candle here. You only then you see after a while price coming back and tapping this area here and pushing all the way higher here. All right, we are tapped, guys. We are tapped. So let us see. Let us see. Yeah. We are tapped and currently in profits. Jolo, yeah, guys, I'm gonna start setting my my stop loss soon. I just want to see price basically push higher here. All right, I'll have my stop loss around these areas here, 49, 333 here. We are in profits currently. Profits. We are in wonderful profits here. What's up, Mimi? Ha ha ha. What's going, Mimi? Been a while, Mimi. All right, $400 in profits, guys. Beautiful trade here. Already looking money here. Already looking money. $500 in profits. Let's go. $600 in profits. 500. What a beautiful Monday. What a beautiful Monday, guys. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy to be here. I hope you guys feel the same way. So we're gonna go break even currently. Yeah. So I'm break even, guys. If price decides to push lower here, it's gonna take me out, but I'll be break even. So let's see if we're gonna carry on pushing here. You know what? I have a feeling price might just want to come back and tap us out here and push higher here, right? But we'll see. We'll see. Why do I have a feeling price is going to tap us out at break even and push higher here? Yeah, let's see how we do, guys. Let's see how we do. Is price gonna tap us out here at break even and push higher here, or is price gonna keep on pushing higher here? We shall see. We shall see. Still in profits. But we're gonna have a Monday break even here. Monday break even trade. Is that what we're gonna have? Is that what we're gonna have? Are we gonna have that? Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the to tap the notification bell so that every time I'm live and I'm trading here, you guys are notified, right? Yeah, that's one thing that you need to make sure. Make sure. Yeah, the move looks clean, guys. Hopefully we keep on pushing higher here and price doesn't, take us out at break even here. Currently sitting in profits. $300 profits currently. Yeah, I just want to see price push, guys. I just want to see price push, but we have already put our break even here. We have already put our trade at break even. So let's see how price wants to do. 4 minutes to a closure here on the 15-minute. So let's see. Yeah, I always tell my students plan the trade and trade the plan. That is the only thing that will separate you from 95% of losing traders here. The only thing that will separate you from losing traders if you trade the plan and plan the trade. That is the only thing that will separate us here from all the losing traders in the market here. If you are able to do that, then you shall set yourself for success. But if you are unable to do that, then just know that success is not knocking on your door. But if you plan the trade each and every single morning before entering the market and trade the plan, now you have a different story, right? You have set yourself for success when it comes to the market here. Obviously, guys, if price does re-break the highs on the 4-hour here, we are looking money. So let's see. 2 minutes to a closure here. If we do close, let's say we close right here on the 15-minute, right? I'm gonna take profit. You know why? Because price will basically wanna create a low and potentially push higher here. So before that, I will have my profits taken because I don't wanna be taken out with the next candle low, right? Because potentially the next candle might just want to create a low and potentially push higher here. Yeah, but we're still looking good to push higher, guys. We're still looking good for those buys. $500 in profits. Yeah, guys, if you want to join my classes, this is basically going to be classes. If you want to join the classes and you want to really learn how I really trade, text me under those two accounts. Topboylarry on both accounts. You'll find me on Instagram. You'll find me on TikTok. And yeah, you're gonna have to basically obviously pay a small fee because I only want serious traders. You know, the traders who want free things are not serious. I've noticed. I've traded with a lot of people who want free things, and I'm not really interested in entertaining those ones. Yeah, I'm really not interested in entertaining those ones, guys. Unfortunately, the people who always ask for free things come with a lot of come with a lot of work, right? I'm gonna be sitting here planning my day, planning the trades, planning all these things just to hear a person tell me just to see a person not being consistent, right? Not showing up each and every single day to the market. Unfortunately, yeah, that really, breaks my spirit. That breaks my spirit to see people to work hard, wake up in the morning, come to the desk and really focus, have my script planned, have my motivational messages planned and all those type of things just to have a person not be serious. So I want to when people pay, I feel like there's some sort of seriousness that comes with it, right? Yeah, so this is the low that I was talking about, guys, the 15 low. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and basically, guys, don't do what I'm doing now. Don't do what I'm doing now. Basically, yeah, this 15 low that basically might just push lower here, and and basically, yeah. So I'm gonna remove or just trail this stop loss a bit lower here, because I do know that price might just potentially want to keep on pushing higher here. Yeah. But if price comes back and taps me out, that would be a loss. That would be a tough loss for me, guys. That would be a tough loss for me. But yeah, I'm still on with the buys here. I'm still on with the buys. But yeah, that's one thing price usually does sometimes. If we do get closures like this, price might just wanna, create that low on the next 15 candle and potentially push higher here. So let's see. Only do what I'm doing if you have enough capital in your bank account. But if you don't, please don't do this at home. This is not financial advice. But yeah. This is not financial advice, guys. But yeah, I do know that the next 15 candle always creates this low and potentially pushes higher afterwards, right? So yeah. All right, guys, give me a second. I will be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Back like I never left. But yeah, price usually tries and creates that low right here and potentially pushes higher afterwards. So yeah, man, I didn't wanna, be taken out at break even, right? Yeah. I didn't want to be taken out at break even. If you have your stops, if you adjusted your stops here, W to you, good luck. If you're doing what I'm doing, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I feel like you need to be a little bit more experienced, to do what I'm doing. Because yeah, it's a bit more riskier, right? And you should know how price, moves from the back of your mind, from the back of your head. If you know how gold moves from the back of your head, then this shouldn't be that crazy, right? But yeah, if we re-break these highs here, man, money here, money. Yeah, if we re-break these highs here on gold, guys, oh man, that's when I will readjust my stops and I will bring it at break even, because now I will know that price basically re-broke the highs and it really wants to push higher here. So let's see, let's see. Now we're going to re-break the highs here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your people. You know, I want to grow this community. I want to see this community grow. I want to see this community become so huge, right? And the only way that would be possible is through you guys. You know what I'm saying? Tapping that notification bell, making sure that you are on live each and every time I trade here, every time I come onto the charts. You know what I'm saying? That is the only way we are going to grow this community, right? And make it a family, a whole family. So yeah, guys, if we re-break these highs, I'm gonna go break even here. I just want to see the 15-minute re-break the previous highs. Okay, guys, I'm going break even currently. Yeah, we did re-break those highs. Right now, I'm just gonna let price do its thing, right? $710 in profits. Let's go. Yeah, that potential push higher, man. Hey, man, we'd be looking money here. For the fact that we re-broke these highs, then I can go break even, guys. So now, yeah, if now price comes back and taps my break even, taps my stop loss at break even here, then that would be it. That would be it. But yeah, currently we are in profits again, guys. Yeah, just waiting to see that push. Just waiting to see that push. How are we going to get that push? Yeah, guys, if you want to learn how I trade, if you want to know how I trade, make sure that you follow me and DM me, and I'll set you up here for success. I will set you up for success. Obviously, you're gonna pay some sort of a fee because I only want serious traders. No fugazi traders here. No more fugazi traders. I don't want to find myself working so hard, waking up, going live just for fugazi traders. Nah, man. Nah, 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 nah. I want a real community. I want people who really want to grow, people who see potential in what I'm doing. I only want people who see potential in what I'm doing. And if no one sees that type of potential, unfortunately, this is not the place for you. Bye bye. Right. Yeah. Unfortunately, that would be that this is not the place to be. If you don't see potential in what I'm doing, if you don't see potential in this, yeah, bye bye. Only traders who are willing to grow, only traders who are willing to see the moves, right? Who are willing to learn, only traders who are, yeah. And what's the fee? A lot of people might just want to find out what the fee is, right? It's nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna break your bank. I'm not gonna break your bank. I just want you to be serious, you know. I want you to wake up. I want you to be on the charts. I want you to pay attention so that you can also become a profitable trader yourself, right? And the only way I can make that happen is if I find people who are really, 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 focused, people who are, yeah, gonna be a part of this thing, right? Yeah. I only want people who are gonna be a part of this thing, a part of this the growth. Yeah. Hey man, price is pushing lower here. Is it gonna tap us out? Hey. We shall see. We shall see. As long as for the fact that we rebroke these highs, right? And yeah, man, there's no like if price basically pushes lower here, there's no more moves for me, right? Yeah, there won't be any moves for me. So is it gonna take us out here or is it gonna potentially push higher? We shall see. We shall see. How much is it? Yeah, none too crazy. None too crazy. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna announce that on live. Unfortunately, I want you to, DM me. I want you to DM me. I want you to talk to me, and yeah, man, I will announce. I'll give you the prices and all those type of things. Yeah, but it's not gonna break your bank. Trust, trust in the process. It's not gonna break your bank. It'll be valid. It'll be valid. Yeah, man. Hey, looks like price is gonna tap us at break even, guys. Let's see, man. Let's see. How are we gonna go out and break even here? Yeah, I only trade price action. That's all I trade. Only price action. And if you have taken your profits, guys, W to you, man. Yeah, yeah, W to you. You did an amazing job if you already took profits here. Sometimes you gotta be angry with the market. Let's go. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta be angry with the market. Go in, go out immediately, and take that profit, take that money, take that cash. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And sometimes you just gotta wait for price to tap your take profits. And that's what I'm doing here. I want to take profit or nothing. TP or nothing, yeah. Yeah, my initial TP was around this area here, guys. Yeah, around $800. So we'll see if price is gonna, reverse and carry on pushing higher.
Tell me, do I glow in your eyes?
2 minutes to a closure. 2 minutes to a closure.
Or am I just background to you? If this is a phase, let it never fade. Let it fade every day. Every move.
Yeah, man, if we re-break, if we actually flip and push higher here, that would look money to potentially take those TPs here.
I'm not the same as I was before.
Yeah, we're still in profits. We're still in profits. Still in profits. This is W management. Yeah, W management, guys. This is amazing. Amazing. I have managed this trade quite well, quite well. But right now I'm sitting at $3 if price decides to reverse here and take me out. I'll be at break even. And another thing, if we close bearish right now, right? If we close bearish at this candle here, I'm gonna take this $200 or whatever dollars price will decide to give me here. So let's just see how we're gonna get this closure here on this 15 current 15 candle. Yeah, 50 seconds to a closure here. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Yeah, I left out a whole $700. Imagine. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. A whole potential $700 trade here. I left it out just to go break even. All right, guys, I'm break even. I'm break even, guys. Man, this is still a W trade. This is still a W trade. Um, yeah, I'm gonna readjust this to break even. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna add this to the break even trades here. Yeah, five break evens, three losses, and nine wins here. Still a W trade, guys. I know price is still gonna move up, trust me. Price is still gonna move up. And yeah, if you still have your buys, yeah, hold them. Hold those buys, guys. Hold the buys. Hold the buys because the buys are still coming. I just went break even currently. But yeah, if you're still in the buys are still looking fresh. You can yeah, you can hold the buys to potentially move higher here. Yep. This was W management. This was a W trade. This was a W trade. We have everything set, everything planned out. We just didn't take profits, right? Yeah, we just didn't take profits. That was the unfortunate part. Yeah, that was the unfortunate part here. I didn't take profits, but yeah, the way you manage the trade is up to you, right? If you're still holding the trade and you're expecting to see some sort of a push higher here, yeah, man, you can wait. You can wait. You can wait. Yeah, if you want to learn how I trade, if you want to learn all of these type of things, I only want serious traders from now on. So I don't want anyone who is going to be fugazi here. So yeah, just give me a follow, give me a yeah, just give me a follow, guys. Just give me a follow on one of the accounts, give me a DM, and we will talk prizes. And yeah, I will put you on. I'll put you on. And you're gonna join my premium lessons, right? Premium lessons, premium group where we're going to be trading live each and every single day off of YouTube. No more free things. Obviously, I'm gonna give you guys free things. I'm lying. I'm lying. I'm gonna give you guys free trades, free lessons, free everything, right? But then I just want a bit more serious traders to come and join me, right? That's what I want. I'm looking for traders who are a bit more serious to come and join me. Yep. Yes, sir. And obviously, you know, when a person pays for something, one thing I know for a fact, the day I decided to join my mentor, right, to be a part of the group, to be a part of my mentor, right, the day I decided to be a part of that group, you know what I noticed, guys? I noticed that I became more attentive in each and every single thing that I'm doing, right? I paid attention in each and every single thing I was doing, right? Because I knew that I put in money. I knew that I have money at stake. I don't want to come here and not learn anything, right? And not take myself seriously. So the community I was in pushed me, the people I was with pushed me. Those people made me the trader that I am right now, right? The mentorship, everything. They made me the trader that I am. And the only way that was possible was because I was really paying attention, right? I was really paying attention because of I put in money, right? But now, if you're gonna come here, get free trades, open buys and sells on your account, you're really not gonna learn a lot. You know what I'm saying? You're really not gonna, you're really not gonna be part of the 1%, right? You're not gonna be part of the 1%. And also for the fact that no one on YouTube is gonna give you the full trading plan, the full trading mindset for free. You can try. You can go elsewhere. You can go search all these traders. They're gonna give you fugazi. They won't give you like the true way to trade unless, right? Unless you pay. Like, I'm just gonna give you guys the honest truth, right? And if you feel like you're gonna learn trading for free, good luck. Good luck. If you feel like you're gonna learn, because trading is not just a strategy, trading is mindset. Trading is, it's deeper than that. It's more, it has to do more with understanding what you're doing on a deeper level, right? But yeah, guys, this was the trade. Unfortunately, we went break even. Price wasn't able to tap TP, and I'm totally fine with that, right? TP was somewhere around these areas here, and I'm totally fine with that. I do see that price could have, played a bit better, but yeah, that's what Goldie does. That's what Goldie does. Goldie. But yeah, looking at the 30-minute guys, the pushes are still good, right? Potential moves. This is what I'm expecting, right? I'm expecting to see price potentially come to this area here, which is 40, 10, and give you guys full TP here. So if you're still holding, hold on to dear life. Yeah, if you're still holding and you have your initial stops at this area here, W. Price is still looking good to keep on pushing higher here. And yeah, the only reason I'm not in a trade, I don't revenge trade. If price taps me at break even, that's it. That's it. Yeah, volume pushed and basically decided to break the highs. I went break even. After breaking the highs, it came, tapped me out, and right now price is going to be playing around in this area, and we're going to get those potential moves. But yeah, am I still going to open trades? Yeah, man. Um, I'm just gonna let price play out. I'm gonna let price play out, and if I get a beautiful move in the next few minutes or so, I'm gonna open the trade. I'm gonna go in for the buys here. I'm still open for the buys. The buys. Why did I not take price at $700? Hey man, sometimes if you have a plan set up, don't change your plan, right? Um, don't change your plan. Let TP hit. If TP doesn't hit, TP did not hit, right? Yeah, that's what I feel like. I feel like I could have I could have waited for price to basically hit my TP or put me at break even. Otherwise, nothing was gonna make sense for me, right? Because this was my initial stop loss here, right? I had TP somewhere around these areas, right? Somewhere around these areas. Yeah, something like this. I had TP somewhere around these areas and price nipped, nearly tapped TP, right? And pushed lower here. Right now, price is going to create that lower wick and we're still going to get that potential push higher here. I'm still open for the buys, by the way. So depending on how price closes, I might just open the buys again. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Stay tuned to see the second phase if we are gonna open the buys again. But I'm gonna base it more on the 30 here. Yeah, let me draw up a plan for you. This is what might happen on the 30. Price might do something similar to this, right? On the next candle, we might just get something like this, right? On the next candle, we might just get something like this. And this is going to be a second opportunity for us to potentially take those buys, right? And then the next candle might just do this, right? So let's be patient enough to wait for price to play out the way we want it to play out. And if it does that, then I'm going to be open to take those buys again and potentially move higher here. But this would be the second plan for us to hit TP. Yippity, yippity, yip. Yip, yip, yip. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Hey, man, don't forget to do all those good things, all those wonderful things. But yeah, this is another plan, right? This is another plan, right? Because this level here, 408, this is where I'm expecting to see gold push to, right? So anything besides this, then yeah, I'm gonna have to second guess my decisions. But yeah, guys, this is the plan. This is the plan. On the next candle, we're gonna wait for the next candle to open up and close, potentially close like this. And then the next candle at the break of the highs, we're potentially gonna push high here, push to TP, and I'll take my money there. And if price doesn't do that, unfortunately, I'm not interested. I will not be interested. But yeah, for the serious traders, I have a beautiful course, some sort of a course, some sort of light, uh, learning system where we are going to form a community. You know what I'm saying? Where we're going to have a Discord channel, right? For only the pay the people who basically join my club, right? And once you guys join my club, we're going to have a system where we're going to have like some sort of a payment system, right? And also like a group where we're going to be serious traders only, people who really want to know how I do this thing. That's the only way I'm going to have serious traders joining my live sessions and all those type of things. But other than that, yeah, man, I'm not willing to have unserious people. Yeah, I've been trading for way too long to have people just to come on here, watch my lives, sometimes take trades, sometimes not take trades, sometimes watch just for entertainment. And some, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we will entertain y'all. Time is going to come for me to entertain the rest of the traders who want to be entertained here on YouTube. But yeah, I need a serious community because I'm doing this to help you guys, right? That's the only reason why I'm here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, you see this area here, guys. If price does decide to re-break this area, I'm interested in taking those buys. Potential push higher here. The buys are still valid. Yeah, the buys are still valid. They're still looking money here. About 4005. 4005. Why doesn't it say 007? Oh yeah, 007. Yeah, price pushes above 007 here. The buys are still looking valid, still looking clean. Yeah, the buys will still be looking clean here. Above 007, prices looking money here to keep on pushing higher. Looking money. Yeah, man, the buys are valid. The buys are valid, not the sells.
I'm thinking of you.
All right, so what do we see currently, right? We do see that price basically broke above, right? And price is still trading above this level here, right? Another potential thing that we're gonna see price do, right, is basically move above this area on the next candle here, which already created some sort of a range, right? Another breakout above this area wouldn't look too bad to take in those buys, right? But we need to see some clean pushes. Yeah, we need to see some clean pushes here. But a breakout above, it still looks money, guys. Still looks money. The buys are still looking valid here. Hey, man, look at those buys play out. Oh man, yeah, we have TP somewhere around here, guys. Take profit is somewhere around here. Breakout above again, and yeah, potential pushes to the upside, guys. You tell me, man. You tell me. You tell me. You tell me. TP hit just like that. Just like that. TP one hit and TP two is somewhere around here. Price is potentially going to move higher. Unfortunately, we got tapped out here. We got tapped out, guys. We got tapped out right here. Yeah, guys, this is exactly where I had my TP set, and price actually tapped my TP. And yeah, TP2 would be somewhere around here. The target area for TP2 would be around here. Yeah, we went break even. I went break even, guys. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, but this money looks beautiful. Yeah, guys, TP2 hit. TP1 hit, TP2 hit. This is a beautiful trade, guys. W, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful trade. I'm break even, unfortunately, but if you held on the buys, this was a beautiful buy session during London right here. Yeah, guys, this was amazing. This was amazing here, right? So yeah, if you were in the buys, price pushed, everything looked good. You went into the trade, you got your money, and W to that, W to that, W to that. So yeah, guys, if you really want to learn how I trade, how I do all of these type of things, how you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram or TikTok and DM me, find out exactly how I open trades, exactly how I trade, and all those type of things. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna send you guys the setups. I'm gonna send you guys each and every single thing, right? And yeah, just join the cause, man. Join the club, man. I don't have a name for the club yet, but we're gonna have a name for the club, obviously. And yeah, man, I just want to grow the community. I don't want Fugazi traders no more. No more Fugazi traders. No more traders who are going to come out here and just watch for fun. We need traders who are going to be who are going to set themselves up for success, right? And the only way to set each other up for success here is if you guys basically join the cause and learn the way I trade. And basically, yeah, I'm out here to help you. I want to help you. That's why I'm literally doing this. Otherwise, I could have just traded by myself on my own, looking at my own charts and basically making money by myself. You know what I'm saying? So that is not the goal, right? I've had a communication with the Most High. You know what I'm saying? Had a communication with God. Sat down and asked Him, "Is this something that I should share to the society? I should share with the people?" And basically, you know what? Once I got the answer, He told me that this is something you should share because I'm a profitable trader. So this is something I'm willing to share with the people. I'm willing to share with the squad. I'm willing to share with people around me. I'm willing to teach, right? And I feel like that's my calling, and I'm going to listen to my calling. I'm going to listen to what God has told me to do, and that's what God told me to do. God told me to pull up here and really share with the people who really want to learn, the people who really want to become profitable traders, and yeah, and be successful. So yeah, let's grow the community, guys. Let's grow the community. Let's make sure that we join the classes. We basically, set ourselves up for success, right? And yeah, man, this is not all about strategy. This is all about mindset. This is all about growth. This is all about being able to be on the markets, trade live, right? I'll be trading live, by the way. I repeat, I will be trading live with everyone here. So obviously, you guys will learn, you guys will see that we are not a fugazi group, and you guys will see. I already have two students, by the way, two students. W to them. I'm pretty sure they are watching. May God bless you. Really appreciate it, TKO. Really appreciate it. Right. Yeah. I have two people who have already joined my classes, and we are already seeing success. We are already seeing people, go from losing, right, to becoming profitable traders here. So I really want to set up this system where I have people who are basically profitable traders only. I don't want to see myself chilling with people who really don't want to improve their lives. So I'm only going to be trading with people who really want to improve their lives, people who want to see themselves, change their financial status, and basically change their uh, trading journey, right? And the only way we can do that is if we grow the community, right? And yeah, that is the only reason why I'm trading, and that is the only reason why I am here, right? And if people are gonna think we are out here to sell courses and all those type of things, hey man, do you, right? Do you? We are not here to sell causes. We are not here to, teach people fugazi things. I'm not here to be driving Lamborghinis and showing you guys Lamborghinis in order for me to, get you guys to subscribe or learn Forex, right? I'm going to be genuine. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be, yeah, that one in a million uh trader guy who will be teaching you guys the real, honest trades, right? And how I basically make money in the market. All right. So that's basically it. Yeah, that's it, guys, from me. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Should we? Okay, I'm willing to chill a few. I'm willing to chill for a few here. Possibly get another trade here with you guys on live today. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 All right. All right. Yeah, man. Actually, I think I'm gonna cut the live, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm gonna be that guy right now. I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna cut the live. I'm gonna focus on my students, my two students right now. And yeah, man. I'll see you guys on another session, which is London session. We'll open trades live, obviously, but yeah, I think I'm gonna focus on my premium students right now, and I'll see you guys on YouTube. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to check out my videos, don't forget to man, join the club, man, join the club. This is not going to be some crazy price. I'm not going to give you guys a crazy price to come and learn, right? But then, yeah, it's going to be a nice trading session with all of you guys each and every single day. And if you want to join my live, obviously, it's going to be, if you want to join my club, it's going to be, yeah, real trades, real live sessions, real opportunities for people who are serious, right? Real opportunities for people who really want to learn. I have people from the US, bruh. Come on now. That's not a flex. I'm not trying to flex, but I'm just trying to show you guys where how far I'm trying to take this thing, right? And am I still live? Am I still live? No internet in Gabile, so I agree. Yeah, it's fine. I hope we are still live. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's what I was saying, guys. Like, I really want people who are serious, people who are, locked in, locked in. I want to see people who are basically going to learn for real, people who are going to be real traders. And that's the only type of people I want to, work with. That's the only type of people I want to see grow, right? But if you're going to be out here watching lives and then, these people who just want to watch lives and trade off of you, when you take losses, they want to talk too much. They want to be like, bro, you suck, you suck, you suck. Go get yourself a mentor. You know what I mean? So I don't wanna entertain all of those, right? I wanna entertain people who are willing to grow this community with me, people who are willing to grow in reality. I really want those type of people, guys. I really want a community that we can grow together, where we can share ideas, where we can, where I can teach you guys exactly how the market moves, especially gold, right? How the market moves, how the market, reacts to certain in certain days, in specific days, how the market reacts, how the market doesn't react, all those, small things that matter, right? I'm going to teach you guys the fundamentals of trading gold here, right? We're only going to focus on gold, maybe NASDAQ here and there, maybe other pairs. We'll see. But the most important one we are going to focus on is XAUUSD, which is gold. So I would really appreciate seeing you guys on the club. I'm gonna have a name for it, by the way. And yeah, man, if you really want to grow, if you really want to learn forex, if you really want to be a serious trader like me, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you tap the notification bell, and make sure that you are live with me each and every single day. And if you're in the private lessons, W to that, I will take you guys each and every single step of the way. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it from me. It's your boy Top Boy Larry, and I'll see you guys on another live. Peace out.